how to resolve WhatsApp waiting for this message on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like WhatsApp waiting for this message on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, tap on your Apple account. Alright, so from this interface, tap on iCloud. Okay, so from your scroll down and go the options like save to iCloud, and from your tap on see all. And now from your scroll down and find the application WhatsApp, and after you find it, you'll have to just turn off this WhatsApp from here. So you have to just turn off it, and after you done this, you'll have to just back from here, and from the settings section you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like apps, and now from here you'll have to just find out the application WhatsApp. Alright, so after you find the WhatsApp, you'll have to just tap on it. Okay, so from this interface, make sure that you have allowed it the WhatsApp for the background app refresh. So after you turn on this, you'll have to just back from here, and again you'll have to just open the application WhatsApp with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp, tap on settings just at the bottom right corner, and now from here tap on chats. Okay, so from this section, make sure that you have backup your chat on your WhatsApp. So you simply from your tap on chat backup, and after you set the backup on your WhatsApp, you'll have to just back from here, and from here you'll have to just tap and hold that application WhatsApp, and from here you'll have to just tap on the option remove app, and from here you'll have to just go the option delete app, and after you delete or uninstall the WhatsApp application on your iPhone, you'll have to just reinstall that WhatsApp from the App Store, and after you reinstall that, you'll have to just open the WhatsApp application, and from there you'll have to just try to log in with your WhatsApp account, and from there you'll have to just recover your chat from that backup account, and after you back up your every messages on your WhatsApp, this problem might be solved now. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.